Okay, let me continue because that cut out. So if they choose decimals to the hundredths for 200, you would click on it and you would read it for them, and they would solve it either on a whiteboard or on paper. You can have them verbally tell the answer or put it in chat or hold their paper or whiteboard up, but I would definitely give them a few minutes to make sure everybody has solved it. And then you would call on each student to tell their answer. And what I like to do is to give each student who got the answer correct a point. So you would just hit the plus and it gives them their points. If person 3 doesn't get it, then you just leave it blank. And to see the correct answer, you can click the space bar or you can click the space bar button here, either one. And to go back, you click escape. So you see when you come back, it's whited out, so you can't click on that. So then you can call on another student and continue to play until that group's time is up. If they miss the math problem, please review it with them. Please note that each group has a different game. So make sure you click and open the correct game for the group, okay? At 3 o'clock, the last group does get off Zoom, but I do keep my Zoom open till 3:30 for students to come back and ask questions and get help as needed. I do have a couple students who regularly come back for this, but I'm not sure if they'll come back today since they know that I was not there. But still keep your Zoom open just in case. While you're waiting, if you don't mind typing here to tell me how the day went, and if there's any important information that I need to know. Were there absent students? Were there some students who did a fantastic job with giving answers and participating? If you'll type their name here so I can give them their dojo points. Or if there were students that gave you issues, please put that information here so I can correct it promptly. I hope that you had a fantastic day and I hope that you have a fantastic weekend. One more thing, I do need to show you how to share this because I would like to have your notes so I know who to award or to contact their parents if need be. So once you've typed, you just click share. And then you type my name, cbaloo@psusd.us, and you click done, and then it's sent right back to me. Thank you so much.